guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for your Valentine's date. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. I'm actually gonna use this one. This is not the Bear and Bliss cushion because that one is long gone. But I put in here my Strokes Cosmetics foundation, and I can really say that our local makeup brands are stepping their makeup game. I'm so happy and proud that our local makeup brands are on par with a lot of high-end makeup. So kudos to a lot of our makeup brands for spearheading and bringing this change. I remember when I was still starting with makeup during my early college years, I don't have much choice, or I don't have a lot of options. But today, you can find a lot of things that will work within your budget range. For brows, I'm just gonna use my brow gel from Etude House. I'm so sorry that I've been missing in action for the past month or so. It's just that my schedule is very busy and hectic. And I went back home to my hometown because my sister had her graduation last February too, and I just had to be present for that. So for the eyes, I'm jumping around here. I'm using the Urban Decay On The Run Shortcut palette. This was actually a gift from my sister. I'm taking this shade right here called Shortcut mixed with Laced and putting that all over the lid. This is actually the third time that I'm filming this because for some reason my files got corrupted every time I transfer it to my laptop. I can't figure out how to recover the files, so I'm like repeating this over and over again. So I'm going in blind. I'm not wearing my contacts because I'm too lazy to pull it up, but I have the look memorized in mind. Now I'm actually going in with the darker shades called Back Alley and Rendezvous and focusing that more on the upper lash line and connecting it with the lower lash line here. Going back in with a blending brush just to blend everything. As I was saying, I attended my sister's graduation day and it was such an emotional day for me. I'm not sure why, but I think it's because of the fact that during my own graduation I was all alone, like my family weren't there with me, and during that day the family was complete, so I was really happy that everything is like in place. And of course, it's a culmination of her achievements and such. So I'm so happy that I get to witness it firsthand. I actually promised her that come what may, I will not miss her graduation. So yay, I kept that promise. Pulling out my Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Pulling out my bronzer, bronzing up the face. So I'm back in my hometown. I'll be here for quite some time because there's a lot of activities lined up for me in February. We have a foster sibling and she's actually joining a pageant competition this coming February 14. So getting that blush here. Love this blush shade. I think it's the perfect shade for Valentine's too. It just makes you look so fresh, and it's pink. Quite on point with our theme. Running that a bit on my crease and then taking my highlighting brush and let's highlight the top parts of my face. going back to the story time, she entered a pageant and I'm the one to do her hair and makeup. I actually did my sister's hair and makeup as well during her graduation, so I'm like the designated glam team. So for lips, I'm taking this one from Vice Cosmetics. This is a multi-use product, but this is my first time using it on the lips. I usually use this on the cheeks. I think I need to deepen up my brows, so I'm taking a brown eyeliner just to create some strokes. Camera died, how rude. But we're at the end of the video. This is the final makeup look. Just a very simple makeup look that you can recreate, and if you do so, please tag me on my social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.